Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a little video. It's my lunchtime right now. I got some rice from work. Oh my god, I told you about this. This rice is like the bomb. I put some soy sauce in it. Oh my god, y'all should try this. It is so yummy. The man puts onions, peas, eggs, carrots, and little pieces of ham. Man, it is like to die for. I want to bite. See if it'll focus. Sitting outside where I work. It's been one of them days, like, where you just want to go home and just not want to do anything. I don't know. I feel like in a rut right now. I don't know why. I'm just not feeling it today. I keep on looking back because the people are walking. And the ones that work here, they started walking. So they asked me if I wanted to. But half the time that I take my lunch, I don't eat. I go to sleep. Sorry about my hair. I was out in the wind. Yeah. I go to sleep and for 30 minutes. And then I wake up and I'm like refreshed. I got me a Coke to drink. Yeah, I was going to stop drinking Coke, but nothing else sounded appealing, so I went looking, and they had like all these kinds of drinks, and I didn't want nothing else, I guess. I want to thank all my new subscribers. I really appreciate subscribing to my channel. I mean that makes me feel so happy. I really appreciate that. I also got a egg roll. Just this little thing right here in my egg roll. And my Coke. Ooh. That egg roll tasted like they fried it in the fish grease. It has like a fishy taste to it. I mean, it's good, but just that little taste. Anyways, let me get back to what I was saying. For this, the Coke and my egg roll was $4.90. I think I should have just got the plate. The plates here for the drink and like for the main and two sides, the main dish and the two sides is like $5 with the drink. And I got this for $4.90. I think I cheated myself, huh? Somebody's texting me at the same time I'm trying to record. Even though it tastes weird because of the grease, I'll still eat it. My nose is running. Come on, focus. I don't know what's in it. Carrot? Cabbage? This one girl, where I park at, I always parked here since I started working over here. And this one girl, she would park like way on the other side. But since I started here, she started parking over here by me. And this girl that came back to work, she parks right here in the front too. And the other girl, she's like, every time I try to come, I have to get here before her, because if I don't get here before her, she'll take up 2 spots just so I won't park right here, which is kind of stupid. I'm like, excuse me. I'm like, why are you being like that, you know? Why are you trying to take up 2 parking spots? Why can't you just park in 1 parking spot, let people have their spot? It's just crazy. But it's ever since I started working out here, she's been parking over here. And I'm like, seriously? I don't interact with none of the people from here. I always ignore everybody. I keep to, not really ignore everybody, I just keep to myself. I don't really talk to anybody. I do my job and that's it. Go home, you know? It's like, I'm not here to make friends. I'm not here to be all buddy-buddy with you. Half the time they want to know what the scoop is about. Oh, if somebody's mad or somebody's like, if somebody's in trouble or if something's going on, they always want to know the scoop about it. It's crazy. Yes, I wear my hair like this. I just pick it up and put little bobby pins on. I mean, it's a warehouse. Why get dressed up if I'm gonna get dirty, you know? I mean, this jacket right here is my work jacket. It has stains on it. It has, it's like on the elbows, look. I don't know if it's this, I think it's the other elbow. See how it's faded? This is my work jacket. I don't like wearing my good jackets too. So I can be out here and get it all messed up. No. I wear my old ones. Hopefully, I can get a dentist appointment. Hopefully next week. I gotta fix my grill. I really do have to fix it. I don't like it. I could tell you a story about it, but that can be for another video, why they're like the way they are. But I'll do that in another video. I'll tell you why my teeth are the way they are. And it's not a good thing. I'm sure. What is that? The only reason why I'm eating my car, I had to go and upload some machines at the other department. So I was like, hey, I'm gonna stop right here and I'm gonna get me something to eat, and then I'll just make it back over there. Maybe I should do a vlog about my teeth. Sorry, I just jumped around in different things. Sorry. You know, so I won't be hungry during the day. I didn't even know I had that on my eye. I munch on these things. Peppermints all day long. Just so I won't be hungry. I was going to ask where my phone was. Really? I'm recording. Duh. Straight out of my hand. No, I didn't drop it. I'm good, I grabbed it. I wish I knew how to make this. I would love to make this. I can eat this all day long. Got a little hot in here. My anxiety's acting up already. Does anybody else get anxiety? What do y'all do for it? What do y'all do that helps y'all go, with it? Because I get anxiety, and it's like, I feel like I can't breathe. I feel like I can't breathe. I feel like I can't get enough air inside me. I don't know, some days it's just crazy. It's just some days my anxiety is like through the roof. I try so many things, but the thing is, I was on medicine for so long that I just completely just stopped taking my medicine. I was just like, I was just done with it. I was like, I don't want no more medicine. I was going on medicine for like almost 10 years, and to me it wasn't even doing anything for me. So now I just quit cold turkey, and now it's like I'm trying to like home remedies of what I can do for anxiety, and when, and I don't know, some days I just don't want to get out of bed because of my anxiety. Ooh, do you want some? You want some? Don't want some? No, it's not focusing though. To me, this rice right here is better than the rice I had when I did the video with my husband. Well, no, I take that back. That rice was like the bomb because it had shrimp in it. This one don't have shrimp. This one has ham. the way the camera looks on here. Well, guys, I finished it. Which I shouldn't have. I regret it now. Just kidding. Just kidding. It was good. It was awesome. Excuse me. I loved it. I think I might be doing a seafood boil. Maybe in a couple of days. I'm thinking either Thursday or Friday. I might do a seafood boil, but I'm not going to do all the crab and the crab legs or the lobster. I don't do all that. I mean, I like the shrimp, so I'll probably just have like shrimp and the potatoes and the sausage. But yeah, I'll probably do that. It depends. I mean, I might change it up. It might be, I don't want to have crab, but it might, I'll see what they have. And, I'll see what kind they have, and I'll record it and I'll show y'all. But I've been wanting to do seafood boil, and I think I'm gonna do one. Either tomorrow night or Friday. Yeah, because Saturday we have plans. So, yeah, I'll do that. Okay, so anyways, look at my nose turned red. I blew my nose. Anyways, I guess that's it of my video. I hope y'all like my video. Subscribe if y'all haven't already. Leave me a comment. Let me know what y'all want me to eat. Yeah, I'll probably be doing the seafood boil either tomorrow night or Friday night. Just depends on if I have nothing going on. Excuse me. But I know Saturday I'm not going to be able to do it. I don't think. But I don't want to prolong it that long. But I'll see. And so when y'all get the video, y'all get it. And y'all know whenever I had seafood boil, see how awesome it's going to taste. But yeah. So anyways, I hope everybody's having a good morning, good night, good evening, and all of that. I hope y'all join me on my next mukbang. My Snapchat and my Instagram is in the description box, followed by my email and I have a P.O. box number in there too. So yeah, I just want to let y'all know that. So I hope y'all like this car mukbang. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all want me to do anything else. I'm probably repeating myself, but hey, we all good. So, I'm just gonna close out with this, and I'll see y'all in my next video.